Guys, I'm sure you all know why I'm so happy because अभी ये एपिसोड का जो एंड वाला सेक्शन होता है ना, this is one of my personal favorites because this is the section जहाँ पे मैं आपके सवालों के जवाब देता हूँ. In this section, Ask TG. Let's see इस हफ्ते हमारे पास में क्या सवाल हैं.
Hi TG, I have been thinking of upgrading my phone and I finally think it's time. I am thinking of upgrading to the iPhone 15. How much do you think it would be worth when it will be launched?
Okay, the price for the iPhone 15 lineup. I mean, it's kind of the talk of the town because everyone wants to know. सबको ये जानना है कि आखिर iPhone कितने का होगा. लॉन्च तो हमको पता चल गया है कि 12 तारीख को होने वाला है, बट प्राइस क्या है? So guys, let me tell you what I believe, as per my own experiences, that the 15 and the 15 Plus would have a similar price to how it was last year. iPhone 14 या 14 Plus की तरह ही आपको इस बार प्राइस मिलेगी. But the Pro lineup of iPhone 15 this year, उसमें शायद आपको एक 10,000 का एक इंक्रीमेंट मिल सकता है प्राइसिंग में. And उसके बदले में the base storage variant for these Pro iPhones this time would be of 256 GB. So do your math. See, last time Apple की प्राइसिंग क्या थी for the 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro and the Pro Max. This year for the 15 and 15 Plus, kind of similar to as last year. But for the Pro models, एक 10,000 का शायद एक जंप मिल सकता है. As the name suggests, near field communication. So it basically is for communication with quite nearby devices. तो अगर हम बात करते हैं पेमेंट्स की, जहाँ पे आप अगर टैप टू पे को यूज़ कर रहे हैं अपने फ़ोन से या अपनी वॉच से, तो वहाँ पे NFC काम में आता है. At the same time, if you talk about pairing, it with a Bluetooth headphone or a speaker, जहाँ पे अगर आपका Bluetooth headphone या speaker NFC को support करता है, तो it's just a tap away, for you to pair your phone with that particular device. इसी के साथ साथ you can have kind of custom NFC cards. मार्केट में मिलते हैं, they are very cheap. आप उनको लेने के बाद you can write a certain way. And for example, the moment you enter your house, you tap your phone to that NFC tag. It's like a small sticker. And उसके बाद में आपके phone में you can change the ringtone or change the profile or get connected to a Wi-Fi network, or you can turn off your location. Like you can have a set of commands that you can write जो आप उस NFC tag में code कर सकते हो with very easy steps. तो आप at times you can use NFC for shortcuts as well. For sharing the contact information, आपका business card जो है वो NFC enabled हो सकता है, so that the other person just needs to tap and instantly your information is right on his phone. There are multiple such uses depending on your lifestyle. You can pick one.